Hi, my name is Kate Ganley, and today I'm going to be reviewing y8.com, one of the most famous platforms for Flash games. So, firstly, we're going to see if these games actually go to where they're supposed to. So, let's do Masked Forces. And it looks like it does bring us there. Well, it loads, we can actually look up in the IP of it. We can actually get a rating for how safe it is for children and the rating of the actual, here it is, trustworthiness of the site. So it looks like this has a really good rating for child safety and trustworthiness. And I mean, obviously it should have a good child safety because this is a child's website. So that's promising to see. Sometimes with y8.com, they do tend to be a little slow when booting up, especially you can see right here running. Sometimes the sound is a little weird. It really depends on the day and the connection that you have. Okay, so here's Masked Forces. So let's go into the campaign. We'll do a death match, sure. We're just gonna see how the lag is, if there's any weird glitches that happen. You can see there's actually a mouse up here. If you hit L, it will get rid of it for you. So here's someone, oop, and you can see that lag is a little bit bad. Once you hit the trigger button, it seems to, and even that, oh wow, did you see that? That was delayed. Oh, and I missed. Okay, so basically, this is it. It is a little bit laggy. I don't really know if it's just because it's so laggy if because I have the screencast that's on right now, and there's just a lot that's going on the computer, or if it is the connection. I have a feeling it is the connection because the USF Wi-Fi has been a little finicky, so that's what I'm guessing is happening right now. Okay, the aesthetic of it is really nice. It literally looks exactly like CSGO, so that's kind of interesting. They literally took it almost the exact model, and just put it as a Flash game. So that's kind of cool. And CSGO is free, but it's not a Flash game. You have to buy it online at Steam or Origin, I think it is. So Flash games are way easier for kids who don't really, like 6-year-olds who don't really know what they're doing on the computer. Flash games are just easy. You look it up, you click on it, and it brings you right to it. So yeah, I'm not going to play this whole game just because that'll take way too long. But in essence, this is a great game. I've been playing it for a couple of years now. So, I mean, I'm happy with it. It does get finicky, as I said, with the lag. The aesthetic is great. But overall, I highly recommend everything about this website. Why it has a whole bunch of games that you can play. It doesn't matter if you know how to play Flash games or if you don't know how to play Flash games, if you're good at games, if you're bad at games. They literally have something for everyone. So y8.com, especially Masked Forces, is a great website.